In this video, you'll learn how to add links to a table in WordPress using the TablePress plugin. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to enhance your tables with clickable links, allowing for a more interactive experience for your site visitors. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com site, open your web browser, and enter the address for WordPress.com. Once the page loads, look for the Sites option, typically located in the top navigation bar. Click on Sites to proceed. Next, you will see a list of sites that you have created. Identify the site you want to work on and click on its name to open the dashboard. This step is crucial as it ensures you are editing the correct site where you want to add the table. After accessing your site's dashboard, locate the close button in the upper corner of the screen. Clicking this will take you to the main editing area. Take a moment for the interface to refresh and confirm that you are now in the editing view. Once you are in the editing area, find the plus sign, usually represented by a plus sign. This icon allows you to add new elements to your page. Click on it, and a menu will appear with various options for content you can add. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Table and click on it. This will open the TablePress interface where you can create a new table or modify an existing one. It is important to wait for the new options to load before moving on. Now click on the Create Table button within the TablePress interface. This action opens a new screen where you can specify the number of rows and columns for your table. Ensure to enter the desired values and then click Create. After the table is created, locate the cell where you want to add a link. Click on that cell and then find the link option within the toolbar. Selecting this will prompt you to enter the URL you want to link to. This step is critical for ensuring that your links are correctly placed. Once you have entered the URL, confirm your entry and then click OK or Insert. This action will embed the link into the selected table cell. Make sure to repeat this process for each cell where you want to add a link. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your table, this may take a moment to process. After you've added all necessary links, it is advisable to review your table. Check each link to ensure they are working properly. Once you are satisfied, save your changes. If your internet connection is slow, be patient as it may take some time for the changes to save. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.